Heathfield Railway Station, Devon. Heathfield Railway Station, originally Chudleigh Road Railway Station before the Teign Valley Line opened, was on the Moretonhampstead and South Devon Railway at Heathfield, nearly 4 miles from Newton Abbot, Devon, England. History. The station was opened with the line on 1 July 1874 as Chudleigh Road, but was renamed Heathfield on 1 October 1882. It became a junction when the Teign Valley Railway opened to Ashton, Devon in 1882. Until 23 May 1892, all traffic between the two lines had to be transferred at Heathfield, as the Moretonhampstead line was built to the 7 FT 2134 mm in broad gauge, but the Teign Valley was 4 FT 8 plus 1/2 in 1435 mm in standard gauge. The original station only had one platform serving the Moretonhampstead branch. In 1927, this platform was extended and a new passing loop and platform was provided for down trains came into use on 24 May 1927. Both platforms were signaled for reversible running until 1943, when the crossover was removed. A large pottery of Candy and Company was situated alongside the station and was served by its own siding. After 1959. The last regular passenger trains ran on 28 February 1959. Since 6 July 1970, Heathfield has been the terminus of the branch line, the few trains running this far serving an oil terminal that opened in 1965. In 2009, the line was mothballed until December 2011, when it was announced that the section of the line to Heathfield would reopen to facilitate the transport of timber from Heathfield to Chirk in North Wales by Chudleigh Rail. In the same month, a timber siding was opened at Teign Valley, just before the level crossing at Exeter Road, to allow the timber to be loaded onto the freight trains. Teign Valley lacks a passing loop, and trains with empty wagons continue up the line to Heathfield to permit locomotives to run around the wagons using the loop in the disused station. The empty freight train then drives back to the timber sidings at Teign Valley to be loaded. Loading of the timber is carried out by the lorries that bring the timber to the sidings. Following the damage in 2014 to the sea wall at Dawlish, one of the suggested alternative routes was via the restatement of the Heathfield. A new company, Heathrail Link, met with Network Rail in January 2018 to discuss plans and progress. During the meeting, Network Rail gave authorization for Heathrail Link to lease the line once funds were submitted for it. The idea being to provide a commuter service into Newton Abbot with a park and ride facility at Heathfield.